Hello children, now we will continue the chapter Who is the Greatest. Okay, first we will just go through the part which we completed in the last video. I am just going through, just reading the chapter, just revising the meanings. On another occasion, Akbar was relaxing with some of his courtiers. A few of them thought this was a good opportunity to shower praise on the emperor and get some favors from him. They began to compete with each other in praising Akbar. Okay, we will just see the meanings now. Relaxing means reducing tension. Opportunity means circumstances which ensure that something can be done. Like you say, now this is the good opportunity to do something that way. Praise means to say that somebody is good and should be admired. That is praising. Favors means to support somebody. We will just see compete. Compete means to try to win something by defeating others. Like you compete with your friend in various competitions, you try to win by defeating them. That is competing. Now here the courtiers were competing with each other by giving praises to get some favor from emperor. Now see the praises said by them. You are the greatest of the kings. You are the greatest of the kings and emperors that ever lived on the earth. Go to next slide. You are the greatest of all the people in heaven or earth. You are as great as God Almighty. Now here see children, it is the simile is there, figure of speech simile is used. You are greater than the God Almighty. Now another courtier is saying you're greater than God Almighty. Now Akbar was no fool, means he was not a silly person. He did not care for false praise. False praise means the praise is done for just to get the favor. Children, do you think to do false praise is right? No. Appreciating people for their good qualities. Appreciating means praising people for their good qualities is a good thing. But doing false praise to get some favor, it is not good. So you should never do that. He stopped the courtiers and asked, who stopped? Emperor stopped the courtiers from praising and asked, do you believe so? Yes, they answered in one voice. In one voice means they answered in complete agreement, unanimously. Okay, Almighty means a title for God. Okay, he was no fool means not a fool. Now, Akbar was no fool. He did not care for false praise. He stopped the courtiers and asked, do you believe so? Yes, they answered in one voice. All right then, prove it to me. Prove it to me means it is again means it is to show that it is true. Prove it to me means you have to show that whatever you said it is true. Tell me at least one thing that I can do, but God Almighty will not be able to do. So what emperor said to courtiers that you have to prove that I am greater than God Almighty. For proving, you have to show at least one thing that God Almighty cannot do, but I can do. Otherwise, you will all incur our royal displeasure. You will have till tomorrow morning to prove it. What is saying? Royal displeasure. Incur a royal displeasure means make me angry. It is a phrase, incur a royal displeasure, make me angry. Or displeasure, just single word meaning is annoyance, to get angry. Okay, otherwise you will incur a royal displeasure. You will have till tomorrow morning to prove it. So this emperor said that till tomorrow morning, you have to prove that I am greater than God Almighty. Otherwise, you will face my anger. Akbar then left the place without another look at the courtiers. By saying all these things, Akbar left the court without looking back. They were in a proper fix. Now, who were in a proper fix? The courtiers were in a proper fix. In a proper fix means it is a brazier in a difficult situation. They thought and thought, but couldn't think of any such thing. They started thinking, now how to prove that Akbar is greater than God Almighty. They started thinking and thinking and thinking, but they couldn't find any such thing that will prove that emperor is greater than God Almighty. In the end, they went to Birbal. Finally, they thought that now Birbal will give us the solution to our problem. When Birbal heard their story, he told them not to worry. Birbal was just calm and he said that not to worry, I have the solution for your problem. So these are the meanings, children. Almighty means title for God. Incur or displeasure means make me angry. Was no fool means was not a fool. In a proper fix, in a difficult situation. Displeasure, annoyance. In one voice, in complete agreement. In a proper fix means in difficult situation. Okay. Now we'll move to next slide. So the next morning, the court was full. Everyone was curious to see what would happen next. Everyone was curious. Curious means they were eager to know something, that what will happen next. Well, said the emperor, have you found a good answer to my question? Or are you ready to leave the court forever? So emperor said that, have you got the answer for my question? Or are you all ready to leave the court forever? Just then, Birbal stepped forward and bowed low. Birbal moved forward and giving respect to Emperor, he said, please don't be angry with those who think you are the greatest. He just, in a polite way, he said that, don't be angry with those who think that you are the greatest. There is certainly at least one thing that you can do, but the God Almighty cannot. So what Birbal said, children? There is certainly, means surely, definitely one thing, at least one thing that you can do, but the God Almighty cannot. Akbar looked at Birbal thoughtfully. And what is that one thing? See the meanings there. Certainly, surely or definitely. Thoughtfully, in a thoughtful way, means he was absorbed in thought. What Birbal will say next. Both are adverbs here, children. Certainly, thoughtfully, both are adverbs. Akbar looked at Birbal thoughtfully, and what is that one thing? He asked. When you want to punish someone, you can banish that person. You can throw him out of your kingdom. What Birbal said, that if you want to punish someone, you can banish that person. Banish means send away from country as an official punishment. Means to send one person from that particular country as an official punishment. So what Birbal said, that you can banish that person, you can throw him out of your kingdom, your country. But God's kingdom extends everywhere. The Almighty cannot banish anyone from his kingdom. What Birbal see the Birbal's wisdom, children. See what he said, that you can banish from your kingdom, but God's kingdom. What is God's kingdom? God's kingdom is the whole universe, whole world. It is God's kingdom. So how can God banish one person from his kingdom? Because his kingdom is the whole world. How can he do that? It extends everywhere. God's kingdom is everywhere. Whole world is God's kingdom. How can the God banish one person from his whole world? The Almighty cannot banish anyone from his kingdom, but you can do that. Akbar's face was lit up with a smile. That was very clever, Birbal. While showing how I have an advantage, we'll go to next slide, children. First, go through the meanings here. Extends means stretched. God's kingdom is stretched everywhere. Banish a man means order a man to leave a place or leave a country, leave a kingdom. Curious here means eager to know something, and lit up means illuminated. Akbar's face was illuminated with a smile, means it was bright with a smile. Okay, so what Emperor said, Akbar's face was lit up with a smile. That was very clever, Birbal. While showing how I have an advantage, you have also shown that God is greater. By giving me the advantage, you have shown me that nobody can be greater than God. I believe you. Birbal proved that God is the greatest. Okay, that's why Akbar was very happy with Birbal's answer, and he totally believed in what Birbal said. He was so pleased. He was so pleased means he was so glad with the answer that he forgave the courtiers for their stupidity. Whatever courtiers did, whatever courtiers said it was just the false praise. They were just saying to get favor from emperor. So it was the stupidity. So emperor understood this, but because of Birbal's answer, the emperor was so happy, so glad, so pleased that he forgave the stupidity done by courtiers. So children, this was the story where you can see how wise was Birbal. Okay children, so I hope you enjoyed both the stories. Now see the meanings there. Pleased means glad. Stupidity means behavior that shows a lack of good sense or judgment. Behavior that shows a lack of good sense or judgment. Now here some meanings are given. We will just go through the meanings. In your textbook it is given. Patron of art and culture, a person who appreciates, supports and encourages art and culture. Flog means beat someone hard, especially with a whip. Agitated, disturbed. Incur displeasure, make me angry. In a proper fix, in a tight corner, in a difficult situation. Okay, so these meanings and the whatever meanings and new words you came through the slides, all these meanings and new words you will repeat 3 times in your copy and you will learn by heart. Okay children, now we will move to solve the exercise given in your textbook. Okay.